Want to know how to analyze partner performance on PartnerStack? In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the key tools and features PartnerStack offers to track, manage, and optimize your partner performance. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to make the most out of PartnerStack's analytics to boost your affiliate or partner program success. First, you'll want to head to the Partners tab in your PartnerStack dashboard. This is the hub where you can track all the activities related to your partners. You'll see a list of all your partners, but what you're really looking for is the performance section. Here you can access metrics such as revenue generated, leads referred, or the number of successful conversions. These numbers will give you immediate insight into which partners are delivering the most value. Now, to dive deeper into individual partner performance, click on a specific partner's name. This will open up a detailed breakdown of their activities, allowing you to see not only how much revenue they've generated, but also their conversion rate, the status of their referred leads, and any commission payouts they've earned. This detailed performance data will give you a clearer view of where your top partners excel and where others may need more attention. For more strategic analysis, you can filter the data by date range, partner type, or performance metrics. For example, if you want to see how a partner performed during a specific campaign or over a particular month, you can adjust the settings to get those details. You can also compare multiple partners' performance to identify patterns and better understand which types of partners are most effective. Don't forget about the leaderboard feature. It's a great way to see who your top performing partners are in a more visual format. By ranking your partners based on performance, you can quickly identify who's bringing in the most business and reward them accordingly, or even set new goals for them. Another key feature is the ability to track the status of each lead. PartnerStack lets you know which leads are still in progress and which ones have converted, making it easy to analyze the overall funnel and identify any roadblocks in the partner's sales process. If you're running an affiliate program, understanding how well each partner's leads are converting will help you refine your approach to recruiting and managing partners. Finally, PartnerStack makes it easy to generate reports. These reports can be customized to show specific metrics that are important to your business. You can download these reports as CSV or PDF files, which you can share with your team or use for internal analysis. Now, as promised, PartnerStack is offering a completely free trial to anyone who wants to try it out, and you can get an exclusive bonus if you sign up using the first link below. The bonus could give you extra features or extended access, so don't miss out. By the end of this video, you should be able to confidently track and optimize your partner performance on PartnerStack, giving you more control over your partner network and driving better results. Be sure to sign up with our exclusive offer and unlock all the potential PartnerStack has to offer.